Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy natural homemade facial wash. Now this facial wash will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It will also help to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. It will also help to hydrate the skin, and it will also help to get rid of dark under eye circles. This facial wash also has skin tightening properties that will help to lift, tighten and firm the skin. In this facial wash, I'm using just a few basic ingredients, and these ingredients are loaded with vitamins and minerals that are known to be good for your skin. So if you're looking for a homemade facial wash, that's going to get the job done. And not only that, a facial wash that you can add other things to and make it your own. Follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to whip this up really quick. I will also show you how to use it on your skin, and I will also give you other ingredients that you can add to this facial wash to turn it into a facial mask or facial scrub. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. Let's do this really quick so that you could be on your way to beautiful skin.
Today I'm going to be using potato, also known as Irish potato or white potato, and I'm using a medium potato. So I'm going to cut this in two halves. Now potato contains ingredient called catecholase that will help to brighten the skin, tighten and firm the skin. Potato also will help to get rid of dark spots and blemishes on the skin. It will help to get rid of blackheads and whitehead, any form of a hyperpigmentation on the skin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a half of a medium potato, and I'm going to peel to remove the outer peel. Now once this is done, I'm going to chop the potato in small pieces for easier blending. At this stage, if you do not have a blender, go ahead and get a grater and grate the potato. Now I'm often asked the question if you have any other kind of potato, if these are good to use also. I would say go ahead and use whatever type of potato you have. However, when it comes on to the sweet potato, avoid it for this recipe. But any other potato, whether it's Yukon Gold, you name it, go ahead and use it instead of the white potato. So now I'm just going to add this to the blender and put this aside. Now I'm moving to the next ingredient, and today I'm going to be using fresh aloe vera gel, another amazing natural ingredient that can help to get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. This will also help to smooth the skin. It's good for sunburn. It's good for dry skin. It's help to hydrate the skin, and once used on a regular, it will have your skin looking younger and fresher. What I'm going to do, I'm also going to cut the aloe vera gel in small pieces, and I'm going to add it to the blender along with the potato. Now I'm going to reach for a next ingredient that I like to use personally on the skin, and here I have some fresh milk, and I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of milk in the blender along with the aloe vera and the potato. Now milk contains lactic acid that will help to clean those pores out, and also it will help to cut down on the grease and dirt on the skin, get rid of the dead skin cells. Now I'm moving on to my final ingredient, which is some honey, and honey contains antibacterial properties that will help to get rid of bacteria on the skin, making this recipe also great for acne prone skin. So now we are going to blend all the ingredients together, and we're going to blend well. Now if you have acne prone skin, you can go ahead and add about 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil in this recipe. So let's just blend and blend well. Now once we're finished blending, we're going to pour this out in our bowl. So let's just pour out and take a look at this. This is going to look very creamy, and this is exactly how you want it to look. Now guys, because we have potato in this could get really dark really quick. So I suggest that you add a little bit of a lemon zest or orange zest to this, or you can put about 3 to 4 drops of orange juice or lemon juice to maintain the potato color. And now let's pour this in our storage container. And you can use any glass or plastic container for this. And now our facial wash is ready to use. Now guys, this you can add other ingredient. You can take this liquid and you can make a facial mask by adding some oatmeal to it if you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, you can actually add some avocado to this. If you have sensitive skin, you could go ahead and you can add a little yogurt to this, and you can choose to store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Now to use this guys, you simply dip your cotton pad in, soak it all up, and then just use it to wipe your face. Make sure to wash your face first, especially if you wear makeup. Cleanse the face and then you use this as a second cleanser. So just wash your face with it, and you can also choose to leave it on your skin for about 30 minutes and then rinse off, or just use a cotton pad on your face, wash your face and rinse off right away, and before you know it, you're on your way to amazing looking skin. Another quick tip guys is to take your regular facial cleanser and add a little bit of this to your cleanser and use it to wash your face. Amazing result. So go ahead and give this a try.
So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. When you thumbs the video up, that shows that you like the video, and this allows the system to show it to more people. Also guys, if this was your first time watching, look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on that and you will be subscribed. At the side there's a little bell. If you click on that and turn on post notification on your phone from the channel, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all for watching. Okay guys, one more thing before you go, my Instagram, here's the link. I'm trying to grow my Instagram channel, so if you're not yet following me on Instagram, go over there and follow your girl. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video with another amazing recipe just for you.